Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I recommend item number 3 and 4, Lordship,
Hmm.
of Delhi. Lordship, Learned Council A.H. M.R. Chaudhary, Lordship, due to illness, Lordship, he just informed me, Lordship. So I'm not able to attend before this number.
Hmm.
May I please after vacation, Lordship?
Wherefore,
I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
you are AHMR Chaudhary,
I'm on behalf of A.H. M.R. Chaudhary, Lordship.
Mr.
N.H. Lashkar.
On the prayer of Mr.
N.H. Lashkar.
MH
N. Lordship. N.H. Lashkar.
NH Laskar, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of AHMR Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, with regard to item number 23,
Hmm.
I have instruction from my client to withdraw this matter, Lordship.
23.
Lordship.
Mr.
N.R. Sharma on behalf of A.K. Bhuiyan, Lordship.
MR Sharma,
N.R. Sharma
Counsel
on behalf of A.K.
appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Submitted, he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. Mr. Accordingly, the writ petition is changed clause on withdrawal.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 8.
Hmm.
I am for the petitioner, but due to my personal inconvenience, I would like to adjourn for the day.
Mr.
With due consent of other side. K. Bhuiyan.
Here we learn counsel for the petitioners. Praise the praise for listing of the matter. after
First
two-
week of
2
January.
weeks. Hmm. List after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Obliged.
May I please?
Praise allowed and list after 2 weeks.
May I please, Lordship? So I recommend item number 12 and 13.
Hmm.
Lordship, pleadings are complete. Matter may be fixed for hearing, Lordship.
Item
Pleadings are complete, Lordship. Maybe fixed for hearing.
13. Lord Mr.
M.J. Gokul, Lordship.
M.J. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petition. And
I appeal for the respondent number 1 and 2.
Mr. Arkady Chaudhary, learned DSGI for response 1 and 2.
1 and 2. State government is also a party.
Then we'll say admit list for hearing in usual course.
Obliged, Lordship. May it please, your Lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 30 of today's daily list, my lord.
30.
Please, your my lord.
Yes.
But I pray for some accommodation, my lord. We are waiting instructions from our clients.
You are Mr.
I'm D. Kalita, my lord, for the petitioner.
Mr. D. Kolita, learned counsel for the petitioner. Respondent is granted 2 weeks time to obtain instruction.
But there's an interim order in our favor.
Interim order passed, earlier shall continue.
May I please, your Lordship? And Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, Lordship,
Hmm.
for adjournment, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
M. Rahman.
M. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner. This matter after 4 weeks.
Interim is there, Lord.
Interim order passed, earlier shall continue. No, let us see. This is with office note. Just wait. Just keep it.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 10. We sought consent of the opposite party. And we're still waiting for instruction from the client regarding the matter. So,
Item 10.
yes, my lords.
You are
May
for
it be adjourned-
petitioner.
Sorry?
You are for petitioner.
Yes, my lords.
Yes.
May it be adjourned, after.
Mr.
S. Barwa on behalf of Mr. R.J. Das, my senior.
Mr. S. Burwa, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. R.J. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Press for and is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instruction.
Pleasure.
Well, this matter may be perhaps infructuous, but I have to take instructions and I am also newly engaged as counsel of the ASTC. I have not yet filed in affidavit also. And last 2, 3 occasions petitioners were not there.
None appears for the petition on call. What is the matter?
Well, their private bus operators, they were operating their buses from the ISBT Batkusi
Hmm.
of the highway, national highway. And they were given a notice to vacate the premises
Ah,
at the end of their licensing period because ASTC has acquired many buses. So there was a space constraint on our part. So we have issued them.
they have not filed the affidavit.
No, we have not filed, my lord.
What is to be done?
My lord, if lordship wants to continue because they are absent,
No. Last occasion, there was no
Also-
representation. Then Mr. MSC does appeared on 22/5.
my lord, will be given some time to file our appeal.
Should we dismiss for dismissal? We'll see. Mr. H. Samwa, Learned Council, Standing Council
Yes, ma'am.
for Transport Department, along with Mr.
Standing counsel for the ASTC.
Miss Standing Council ASTC and MS, MD Bora, Learned Standing Council for Transport Department are present. In the interest of justice, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Well-
In the meantime, the respondents may file their affidavit.
Item 2.
This is with regard to construction of a building, my lord.
Hmm.
That G+7 building permission, which was initially granted, now 9th floor is being constructed. But our, my lord, this, my lord, while giving the building permission, my lord, it was an area, my lord, where it's eco-sensitive area, where such high-rise building could not have been permitted. And my lord, by their affidavit, my lord, that in the RTI, my lord, we made an RTI application. And in that RTI application, document find annexure 4, they reply. Well, it's in this building is in Rupnagar area, my lord. Now, page 36, my lord, annexure 4, this is RTI replied in the 6/2020. My lord, as per the master plan for Guwahati Metropolitan Development Area, the area, the said Dag falls within the eco-sensitive zone.
Who are you?
Lord, we are the residents of this locality, my lord.
You file a PN?
We construct the building, my lord. In fact, my lord, directly affects us, my lord. That's why this was fine, my lord. Para 2, my lord, we have said, my lord.
Yes.
Well, I have filed my affidavit, my lord. Affidavit in paragraph number 9, to make it clear, my lord, that RTI reply is inadvertent mistake. This is a residential area that allows the 3+7 building and even 3+7 building, my lord. That RTI is an inadvertent mistake, my lord. Then on the basis of that RTI, this petition has been framed.
Yes.
Lordship will kindly take up my affidavit, paragraph number 5 and 9. It's a residential zone, my lord, not a eco-sensitive zone. And in paragraph number 9, I have made clear, my lord, this particular RTI is an inadvertent mistake, my lord. It's an inadvertent error, my lord.
In fact,
So then
even if lordship
If
does
it's
to-
not
Well,
eco
our
sensitive,
case-
don't,
well, our case is that, well, initially, the initial, well, the permission that was given, well, that was subsequently, well, cancelled, well, to accommodate them, well, that's our case, well. Let them produce a map, well, of the area, well, perhaps.
no, no, if it is a residential area, what's there?
Page well, layer petition, page 46, lordship.
Huh?
That's page 40, lordship, turn to page 46, my lord.
42.
46, well.
46.
That's what we are saying, well, it's
Yes.
only to accommodate them, well, this was subsequently changed. well.
Order, this is the
Convenience,
planning
well.
permit dated 22/9/2022. My lordship will see it in the third line
Yes.
from below, my lord. The
46.
46.
46, well.
Ah,
This is the planning permit issued by GMDA to the GMC to issue NOC, my lord. It's
Hmm.
absolutely clear, my lord, in bold letter, my lord. Construction falls under residential zone of the master plan and falls under high intensity zone as per development intensity.
Hmm.
It's a residential zone, my lord. So this RTI which has been issued is an inadvertent mistake. On the basis of the RTI, this petition has been framed, my lord.
Where it is? Where is the RTA? Reply.
RTA
RTI, my
date,
lord,
well,
what you will find in
36, well.
page
36, well.
36.
Annexure 4.
When the first, which have A,
Hmm.
inadvertently, this was
Metropolitan areas, they said that falls within eco-sensitive. This is inadvertently given.
They say it's inadvertent, but we say, well, it was subsequently, well, converted to help them, my lord. That's our case. Let them produce a map, my lord, if your lordship.
No, no,
likes, my lord.
we'll dispose.
I'll leave it to your lordship, my lord.
Hmm? Heard Mr. M. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioners. And Mr. S. Bora,
as Bora lordship
S. Bora, learned standing counsel,
for GMD.
GMD, for all the respondents.
Not my lord, 1 and 2.
Respondent 1 and 2. Rest,
There is one private developer, the person, the builder, my lord, as per note 3.
We'll do it.
they've been issued, the services, notices served.
What is sub, in
Well,
and
the-
other occasion someone appeared, my lord, in this case.
Come for admission.
Year 4, respondent number 1 and 2.
1, 2 and 3.
1, 2 and 3. Then,
I am here for 1 and 2, my lord.
1 and 2. And none appears for the respondent 3, despite service of notice. By filing this writ petition, the petitioners, or in numbers. No, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner petitioners have challenged the no objection certificate dated 05/09/2018. And 9/11/2012 issued by the, where is this NOC?
Well, initially, one NOC was issued, my lord, in 2012. Then
Ah,
there was.
No, it's okay. 2018 and 2012.
Yes. my lord.
Where it is?
Well,
Page 47 is the NOC by the GMD, my lord. 47.
The planning permit is in the.
Planning permit is in page number 46.
47, page,
No, what orders, the NOC, which is, where are the NOCs you are challenging?
NOCs, my lord, one is at annexure 9, my lord, page 47.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, the planning permit, I have challenged page 46, annexure 8. I have also challenged, my lord, the NOC at, my lord, page 35.
Page 40,
40, my lord, 35, 46, and my lord, 47, my lord.
35 is the first NOC.
First NOC, my lord, yes. 9/11/2012.
Then you said 9/11/2012, huh? And the NN,
And my lord, page 46, my lord. Page 46 is around 22/9/2020, my lord.
The planning permit, my lord,
Permit.
by GMD.
And my lord, 47, my lord, 5th
Planning-
September 2018.
huh? 12/9/2020, huh? And then
My lord, 47, my lord, 5/9/2018, my lord.
5/9/2010, issued by the
Yes.
Chief Executive Officer, Guwahati Metropolitan Development Authority. Guwahati. Whereby the respondent number three, no, whereby the building permits, building oblique planning permits have been issued in favor of one
Phone number 3, madam.
MSS SM Engineering and Developers, Rupnagar. Respondent number three hearing. On the ground that the area falls under the eco-sensitive,
Eco-sensitive zone, my lord.
eco-sensitive zone. List of. Next para, the petitioners, 14 members, claims to be the residents of the, which locality?
My lord, the resident of, my lord, they are all, my lord, residents
Rupnagar
of, my
area,
lord,
my lord.
Rupnagar, my lord.
Locality of the Rupnagar area.
Simantapur, my lord, Simantapur.
Simantupur. Guwahati. Why I said 14 members? And affected by the construction of high-rise buildings.
Building.
List of the claims, and then no, the petitioners claims that the area of what area?
My lord, that area of construction, my lord, my lord,
No, what do you said? What area? What
my lord,
locality of what?
Rupnagar. My lord, this is area is, my lord, Simantapur, my lord.
Sorry, Simantapur area falls under the eco-sensitive zone. For which no high-rise building can be permitted to construct. List of the respondent authorities defying all the norms, rules, oblique rules, has issued the NOC for construction of RCC buildings on 09/2012. List of thereafter. By an order dated 29/12/2020. No, sorry, 22/09/2020. A planning permit was also issued illegally by the Chief Executive Officer, Guwahati Metropolitan Development Authority. List of consequent to which no objection certificate dated 05/09/2018.
No, my lord, it will be, my lord, it will be preceding, my lord. 18.
No, then in that case, before that you just write, before this page 46, before that you say, you just delete this 22/9/2020, huh? Thereafter you just write, the Chief Executive Officer again issued an no objection certificate for construction of RCC building by dated 05/09/2018.
Well, this was done by cancelling the earlier, four, note four, Lord Shipins.
By cancelling the
Earlier NOC, my lord.
earlier NOC.
Yes, 9/11, root note four, my lord, below, my lord. Earlier NOC issued by so-and-so dated 9/12/2012 is hereby, 9/11/2012 hereby cancelled.
By cancelling the earlier NOC dated 09/11/2012. Consequently, the building permit, no, planning permit dated 22/09/2020 was issued in favor of the respondent number 3. Whereby allowing the respondent number 3 to construct 7 stories building.
Now
7
nine,
story.
3+9, my lord, being constructed, my lord.
Legally allowed the respondent number 3 to construct G+9 RCC building. List of next para. Mr. M. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Where is that RTI?
Page 36, my lord.
For the petitioner, referring to the RTI reply received from the State Public Information Officer, Guwahati Metropolitan Development Authority, dated 06/03/2020, submits that as per the master plan for Guwahati Metropolitan Areas 2025, the area in question falls within the eco-sensitive zone. Therefore, allowing the respondent number 3 to construct G+9 RCC building in the eco-sensitive zone violates the, what is that act?
Well, it's a master.
Master plan, my
plan,
lord,
my
that is master plan, my lord. Master plan of Guwahati Metropolitan Area.
That
2000
lordship will find, my lord.
2025.
Master plan zoning regulation 2025, my
No,
lord,
no,
annexure 1, page 20.
Master Plan 2005 and the building bylaws of the state. Building bylaws also.
Master plan itself.
No, it's violates the building
Building
bylaws.
Well, master plan and zoning regulation 2025, my lord.
Master Plan and
Zoning regulation 2025.
Regulation 2025 and the building bylaws in force, in force. Please. Therefore, he submits them. The NOC, impugned NOCs and the planning permit issued in favor of the respondent number 2 is liable to be interfered with as the said, as the impugned NOCs, NOCs and the building permits. NOCs you just write in full, planning permit are not in consonance with the building bylaws, and the respondents are being badly affected by such construction. Mr. Next para. Mr. S. Bora, on the other hand, the learned standing counsel for the respondents. On the other end, submits that the construction is being undertaken by respondent number 3 as per the requirement of an no objection certificate. the construction site wherein respond number 3 is undertaking construction is not an eco-sensitive zone, but falls under residential zone as per master plan 2025. Which clearly reflects from the planning permit issued by the issued on 22/09/2020 by the competent authority. List of, he submits that the RTI reply was inadvertently issued by the public information officer showing the area under eco-sensitive zone, which is contrary to the records. This stuff. Next paragraph. He submits that the impugned NOCs and the planning permits has been have been issued in accordance with the Master Plan 2025. Stop. Therefore, the claim of the petitioner is not correct, as the same doesn't falls under eco-sensitive zone, rather falls under the residential zone. Next paragraph. I've considered the submissions of now the counsel for the parties and also peruse the materials on record. The RTI reply dated 06/03/2020 by the State Public Information Officer, Guwahati Metropolitan Development Authority, reflects that the area in question falls under the eco-sensitive zone as with the master plan for Guwahati Metropolitan Areas 2025. List of however, the responding authorities has clarified that the RTI reply, as the above RTI reply, that is 06/03/2020, wherein the respond number 3 is undertaking constructions, has been inadvertently shown as eco-sensitive zone, which is an inadvertent error and contrary to the records. List of the as per master plan of 2025, the construction site falls under the residential zone. List of it is also seen that the NOCs was issued as per the law in force as per the building bylaws of 2006, building bylaws of 2006, and the modified subsequent and the modified from time to time. As well as the enactment of, as per the Guwahati Building Construction within Regulation 2014. And the Guwahati Building Construction Regulation Amendment Bylaws 2020. The construction undertaken by the respondent of G+8 floor has been permitted finally by the NOC dated 05/09/2018 in terms of the Guwahati Building Construction within the Regulation 2014. Thereafter, the 9th floor was allowed as per planning permit dated 22/09/2020 under the said bylaws of 2020. Mr. Does the planning permits has been issued for construction of the G+9 building, RCC building to the, in favor of the respondent tree, which appears to be falls under residential zone. And therefore, the claim of the petitioners that the area falls under eco-sensitive zone is clearly negated. Mr. Having considered that the area, namely, what is that area?
Srimantapur.
Srimantapur.
Srimantapur, Rupnagar, Guwahati, wherein the respondent tree has been allowed to construct G+9 RCC building. And in accordance with the building bylaws, which falls under residential area. And considering that the RTA reply, which shows the area under eco-sensitive zone being inadvertent error, I'm of the considered way that the petitioner would not have any, the petitioner could not make out any case for interference to the impugned NOCs and the planning permit issued by the Chief Executive Engineer, Guwahati Metropolitan, what is that?
Guwahati Metropolitan Development Authority.
Development Authority in favor of respondent number 3. Consequently, no relief can be granted to the petitioners. And accordingly, the petition stands dismissed.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I am for the petitioner in item number 1, Lordship. Lordship, apologies, we had a mention in another courtroom, so we missed the matter, Lordship.
So my fix after 4 weeks.
So kindly my name, presence may be recorded.
And item 1, MS so and so.
Grateful.
Then you change the thing, MS so and so, huh? Had MS so and so learn concept of the petitioner on the prayer of Mr. So and so, HMWA, Samoa, standing and MD Bora. 4 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in office.
Item 5.
Lordship, to inform that they will take time today.
What is the matter?
APDCL Lordship,
Hmm?
APDCL is there.
Any affidavit has been filed?
Lordship, on the last 3 occasions, the other side,
Or Miss
B. Shah.
MS B. Sharma, Land
B.
Counsel,
Shah.
B. Saha, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Non-appeals for the respondent.
My lord,
Yes, then what do you want? What do you want?
my lordship may take it after vacations, my lord.
For what? Why? Why?
Well, this matter is all pending, my lord. I am not gone through the facts, my lord, so. I
So
have
all
not-
pending matters you don't go through.
My lord, this is the first time for me, my lord.
Huh?
So I have to go through it, my lord, and up to date instructions are also awaited because since.
On the prayer of Mr. So and so, Mr.
Be that, my lord.
B. Das, London Council, APDCL,
Yes, my lord.
Standing Council, APDCL. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction.
Maybe the Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, I am unable to contract with my client Lordship.
So,
So that's why, Lordship, can Lordship instructions will be sought whether, matter has been complied or not, Lordship.
what complaint?
It was asked, Lordship, kindly see the, order dated 5/1.
Item?
23
Item 6.
23/6. Lordship, the petitioner was directed to file an affidavit,
Hmm.
whether he have to file, that apply for the next issuance of the next in certificate.
Hmm.
That was, we do not know, whether we already been, submit our instruction on that.
That's
They never been,
That's right. File is misplaced just after some time. Then item 7. Be ready, what he has indicated.
Lordship, whatever saying my friend is correct, I have admitted. Lordship, here in this case, matter is relating to payment of ex gratia. And this matter has been filed in the year 2021. And the last occasions, Lordship is directed to file an additional affidavit bringing the NOK certificate. Lordship, I am extremely sorry, Lordship, I have no communications with my client. So that's why, Lordship, I am saying, if they have complied already, so then, Lordship,
What
they have
comply?
instructions. If
What
not,
complaint?
without
regarding payment.
submitting NOK certificate, it cannot be complied, Lordship.
Lordship,
They
then,
have to,
Lordship, my Lordship, my submission is that, Lordship, can even some more times, Lordship, so I can back, Lordship.
Yes, last occasion, 2024,
Lordship.
you have short time. Then you have filed the affidavit.
No, my lord, affidavit is not filed, but that instruction was placed.
Hmm.
My lord, that, my lord, in that instruction will say that, my lord, that they did not apply for our NOK certificate.
Ah,
So the NOK certificate cannot be issued, Lordship.
you not applied.
Lordship.
Then,
My lord, if your lordship would see base 17 of the writ petition,
hmm,
that is the notification dated 15/11/2014 on the basis of which he is claiming compensation. Now, in serial number 3 of that notification, my lord,
Due to,
serial number 3, ex gratia to the NOK of person killed due to accident. Now, the NOK is a required document under this notification for which he has to apply and submit before the listing authority, without which his claim cannot be studied.
Lordship, then Lordship can be given a date, Lordship, his last is, I will, do my best.
see, we'll close it and allow you to apply the NOK and submit it
Lordship,
before the competent
Lordship, I am
authority.
saying, Lordship, this is matter is all pending, 21. So
Ah.
I think, Lordship, NOK certificate has been obtained. Lordship, so that's why, Lordship, one last chance.
NOK has been obtained.
So far, Lordship is my exam.
Who is stopping you from filing, bringing on record?
Lordship,
There's
that's
a
why,
direction of this court.
Lordship, that's why I'm saying, Lordship.
You have been directed,
Lordship, even it.
not only the liberty, you have been directed to file that.
Lordship, that's why, Lordship, my submission, if given a last chance, Lordship, I, right? Last chance, Lordship,
On the prayer of Mr.
I hope, Lordship.
I hope learned counsel for the petitioner. And as let this matter be listed after 3 weeks, so as to enable him to 3 weeks as a please stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner is granted time as a last chance to file additional affidavit as directed by this court on 05/01/2022. Failing which failing which it would entail dismissal of the writ petition.
Highly impressed. Lordship, in this case, Lordship, FPTCLC is what standing counsel. Here in this case, Lordship, the present petitioner's husband was died due to an electric issues, Lordship. And ultimately, Lordship, a representation has been submitted, paying for compensation, Lordship. And in this regard, Lordship, the electrical accident inquiry report has been submitted before this honorable. Can we see, Lordship, accident inquiry report, Lordship? It is agreeing on the affidavit, Lordship.
Page,
Lordship. Your page is not clearly contained, Lordship. There is a two affidavits there, Lordship. The first affidavit, Lordship, can we see the first? The page 4, Lordship.
affidavit filed on behalf of?
On behalf of respondent number 6, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here, page 4.
You don't have this thing.
Lordship, there is annexer is there. Annexer. One annexer, Lordship.
There are two affidavits by
Yes,
the,
first affidavit, Lordship, there is 11/8/2022. First affidavit.
yes,
There is
detailed accident report.
yes.
Yes, page 44.
Yes.
Yes,
Lordship, here,
from the facts and circle leading to the accident, it appears there occurred non-compliance of regulations so and so. Recommended the safety provisions of certain. Yes, what do you want to say?
Lordship, here I am point out the relevant portions, Lordship. Page, next page.
Yes,
Lordship, here, third paragraph. So actually, how the accident took place is, have you got, Lordship?
and what is the second affidavit?
Lordship, no, Lordship, I am, important part is there. Lordship, in this his lordship last paragraph, during the site verification, it was found that there is no fencing, proper fencing around the installations. Had there been proper fencing around the installed transformer, the victim would not be able to climb the same for fixing growth, out fuse, etc. And such accident could be avoided. Lordship, here by this report, Lordship, it reveals that there was no fencing of the transformer meter, Lordship. If there was a fencing, then the petitioner husband ought not to have climbed to this post, or Lordship, or making the diffuse fuse as a Lordship. Note now, Lordship, here in this report, we say there is a fault also there of the victim as well as the petitioners. So now, Lordship, kindly see my read petitions. I have annexed the regulations. Lordship, kindly see page number 26.
Heard Mr. Ihawk, learned counsel for the petition. Huh.
I'm not interested in the matter even though I'm spraying for only the lordship. It's better after, immediately after this revision, we'll file our affidavit. I will just inform that we have not filed our affidavit. Because.
And Mr. J. Hendik,
I'm for respondent number 6.
learned state council, 4 respondent number?
6, Lordship.
6. Mr. Arbora, learned standing council, APDCL, submitted due to, submitted to prepare the matter as the, could not, as the, as he has missed the case. Case, as he could not, phrase for some time to prepare the matter, not phrase alone, prayer not being objected to by learned counsel by the parties. By learned counsel by the list this matter after 4 weeks.
I left.
Yes, your Lordship.
Yes.
Petition is regarding executive grants of the petitioner.
You have already been provided additional 2 lakhs.
Lordship.
2
lakhs, I have not, in my record, it is not, I have.
No, therefore you are directed to, you have sought for a time to obtain instruction
My lord.
on 3110.
I have only received one document, your Lordship, from the petitioner, your Lordship may query with.
Saying what?
Only,
Have you received?
your Lordship, no, my lord. Only out of 1 lakh,
Uh.
there is only 95,000 paid.
No,
Out of
that is
1 lakh-
that is first one. Second,
Listen, out of 1 lakh, 95,000. How is 95,000, your Lordship?
no, forget about that.
Executive-
1 lakh is one, it is over.
First one.
First one
But
over.
thereafter, I have not received.
See,
any amount.
they have said that they said you have been given.
93.
Given, but I have not received. So
Huh?
that is why-
1993, Lord.
Huh?
93, it is already been paid, Lord.
No, this is 93, only 95,000, this is the record. I have received one.
What about you?
My lord.
Whether you have
No.
received additional 2 lakhs or not?
No, I have not, so far my client is concerned, I have.
There's a record, there's an instruction.
So let them to file affidavit, I shall file reply, you will, then it will be clear. Let them to file, they have not filed a affidavit till date. It is a 2021 matter, your lordship. Let them to file affidavit.
Simply you are saying that you have not received.
But this is the record, on record I have said, your lordship. Thereafter, I have not received any record from the petitioner. Only this record. So, your lordship, my humble prayer, let them to file affidavit, it will be clear there after.
There's an instruction, I think you have that instruction.
Yeah.
As per record series 9 Diamari, next of the kin of late so-and-so had already been benefited with the additional ex gratia grant for rupees 2 lakhs. In addition to the earlier amount of 1 lakh. Huh?
That is there, but that will be also received by the petitioner. It is so far my knowledge is concerned, your lord. So let them to file.
Have you really asked have you taken instruction from the client?
Client instruction is only that, but 95.
When you have received that?
Recently, your lordship, he give me that order, your lordship.
Huh?
That is why I pray before your lordship to file. Let them to file affidavit. I shall file reply.
No, this is the instruction of the government instruction. So you are supposed to obtain it. Then you file an affidavit saying that you have not received. It has been recorded by an order that 31/10/2022.
Order may, no, my lord, that is, maybe order you lordship will see, I have received from my client, your lordship, this is the instruction.
Let me see. What is this?
Bottom, your lord.
What is this instruction?
Bottom, your lord.
Huh? Santi Damari.
Right. 95,000 out of 1 lakh they have received, they paid 95,000. How 95? Amount is 1 lakh.
Forget about that. That will come
My
later.
lord.
Why 95? There's a matter of 5,000. How do they? It's all 95, not only to you.
No, there are 5 or 6.
Yes. And it's a communication between the officers, Accountant General
I
of
am in the
Assam.
top. My name is in the top.
Your name is there, but then not only you, all of them have been paid
They
95,000.
have jointly paid. This is another thing. I have paid individually 95,000 they have.
Each.
Each.
So,
Each. Each. Your lordship.
are you,
They have not paid anything.
how from where you are saying? This is a communication way back in 1993 in between the officials,
That is
not
why,
to you.
that is why I pray before your lordship to let them to file affidavit. I shall.
It's
file.
already recorded, sir, in the court's order. You have to assert that you have not received.
Have not received. That is how if
You file an affidavit saying that you have not received, right? We'll consider that. That is all already recorded in this court's order. Have you seen the 31/10/2022 order?
Honorable Court directed to take the instruction. Your
Yes.
As per instruction, I have that instruction.
So you file an affidavit saying that I have not received 2 lakhs additional, except the 95,000.
They have not even filed affidavit in a position.
Sir, I am asking you,
Okay, all right. You will-
I doubt you have not obtained any instruction from your client. You just picked up these things from somewhere. Have you annexed this?
No. I have not received earlier, your lordship. Subsequently, I have.
Again, sir, I am asking you seriously. Finally, not seriously, finally, whether you have obtained instruction from your client. See, when, if they, this is from the joint secretary, right? Joint secretary
My lord,
of the to the government of Assam, Revenue and Disaster Manager,
my lord,
the instruction
my lord.
that you have already paid in addition to 1 lakh, 2 lakhs already paid in addition to the 1 lakh as entitled earlier,
My lord,
right?
my lord.
Have you really obtained the instruction?
That instruction, subsequent payment, I have not received, your lordship.
Huh?
So let 2 weeks time maybe allowed, I shall take the instruction.
You have not taken any instruction.
Except that, my lord, no any instruction.
This order you have to, it was passed in your presence.
My, this is in my favor, your lordship, this one only. So after 2 weeks, your lordship will list the matter, I shall take the instruction. If not, then your lordship will pass the order.
We're closing it. Even after 2 or 3 years, you have not obtained the instruction and relying on all documents. This is not an issue now.
Is the,
Have you claimed in the writ petition that you have only been given 95,000?
no, 1 lakh I have stated, your lordship.
Huh?
1 lakh rupees I have stated.
Then
Thereafter, no.
Then why you are agitating this? When you said that I have received 1 lakh, you are claiming for another 2 lakhs as per the new policy. So, and then when they say that, when the government say that you have been already benefited, you have been paid already, then
Then that instruction,
that was 3 years back, you have been asked.
I may be allowed 2 weeks time, your lordship, my am also.
Why didn't you say that earlier?
That earlier said regarding that they.
You had, this is not your pleaded case. You have said that you have received 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
You want 2 lakhs more. Then they said that you have been already been paid. Therefore, you have been granted time to obtain instruction from the petitioner, which you have not done. We are closing the matter. All right. Hard mister. We are closing it. Enough is enough. You have to be very fair.
My humble submission, 2 weeks time maybe.
What humble submission?
Last chance may be given.
I have indicated, I said, finally, I'm asking you. Why didn't you say initially that you could not obtain instruction? What is your pleaded case, sir? You said you have received 1 lakh. You want 2 lakhs more. They said you have been already granted 2 lakhs more in addition to 1 lakh. Then you want to obtain instruction. Without obtaining instruction, you are placing this record thing which is not pleaded.
No.
Talking about 95,000.
No, my lord, my present prayer is 5 lakhs, your lordship. As
5
per-
lakh?
As per notification, your lordship. As per notification. Last, annexure, your lordship. Last law. Oh. It's 24, your lordship. Lecture 4.
My lord, lordship, I kindly page to the page 22, lordship. No, my lord, this is with regard to financial powers. Page 24. And in page 22, he is claiming compensation under 15 November 2014, which he cannot claim because in paragraph 3, my lord, of the said notification on page 22, the revised rates shall be applicable in respect of incidents which may occur in the state on or after the date of issue of the notification.
Hmm.
In supersession of the previous notification in this regard, the incidents prior to 15th of November 2014 will be governed by the OM notification relevant to the period concerned. He incident of 1989. So this notification will not come. The earlier notification in terms of which he is to get additional 2 lakh rupees over and above the 1 lakh he has already been paid. So that 2 lakh he has already received, the additional 2 lakh. So matter ends, my. And that page 24 notification, it is about financial powers given to the district commissioner.
Then
To
you.
what extent he can exercise
Chief,
power?
Annexure 20, page 24, Annexure 4, Your Lordship.
Specific powers delegated to all the deputy commissioner. This is the delegation
This
of
is a-
powers
This is,
issued by the finance
as
department.
per that notification is in
This
suppression
is
of
not
all
a notification
earlier,
of the revenue department.
all orders in pursuance of clause B, article so and so, India, all hours enabling in this behalf, the governor of Assam pleased to direct that the following further amendment shall be made in schedule so and so. Thereafter the 5 lakhs, Your Lordship. That is why I pray before Your Lordship.
See, you read this. Revised rates shall be applicable in respect of incident which may occur in the state as on or after the date of issue of the notification in supersession of the previous notification in this regard. The incidents prior to 7 will be governed by OM notification relevant to the period concerned. What is your period?
My prayer, at least as Your Lordship, 5 lakhs rupees,
Period.
deserve, Your Lordship.
Period of incident.
That is why Your Lordship.
Period of incident.
Period of incident is Your Lordship will,
1993,
1989.
89.
My
So
lord.
matter ends there.
Hereafter,
Matter ends there. Read it. Page 22. You are claiming this on this basis. On the basis of this notification, right?
the subsequent notification, Your Lordship. That is why my humble prayer before Your Lordship, let them to file affidavit, I shall reply. Then it will be clear. Your Lordship.
This is clear. I'm clear. If you are confused, I don't know. We are disposing of the matter. You read para 22, page
Then-
22.
Then I will leave. I'll
Don't say that. Don't argue that way. When you have not done your part, read page 22. Your claim is your basis of claim is this notification only, right?
As well as subsequent notification.
What subsequent?
24, page
When
24.
you read first,
The governor of Assam is pleased to revise the quantum of relief. in
yes, then
respect
come
of
to para 3. Revised rates shall be applicable.
Shall be applicable in respect of the
Incidents.
incident which may occur in the state as on or after the date
As
of
on or after.
date of issue.
Huh.
The notification in supersession of the previous notification in this regard.
Yes.
The incident prior to 15 November 2014 will be governed by the OM notification relevant to the period concerned.
Huh. So what does it mean?
Then
What does it mean?
but
Incident had occurred in 1989. Sir, your incident occurred in 1989, right? Now this 2014 notification enhanced the compensation, ex gratia, right? Which raised up to 5 lakhs.
my lord,
5 lakhs. But this will apply for the incidents occurred on or after 15 November 2014.
my lord.
Then
But there is one thing, Your Lordship, whether payment had been made prior to that or subsequent to
3 years, huh? No. Incident, it's not a payment, incident.
Incident may be.
You read this again. It says the incidents
I know.
prior to 15 November 2014 will govern by the OM so and so and so and so.
2 lakhs, amount 2 lakhs, when they have paid to the petitioner, your lordship. Subsequent or prior, your lordship. That is also another question, your lordship.
Huh?
If the payment was made after that notification.
Where does it say?
My lord.
Where does it say?
Subsequently, that notification will come.
Where it is?
My lord.
Where it indicates?
So then I leave your lordship to pass the order, your lord.
What leave?
I have no objection.
See, these things really prejudice to the litigants. Right? You did not obtain instruction and you are trying to submit, which is totally contrary to the notifications. And you want to read us.
Then you will also pass the order.
Huh?
No objection. Pass the other as per the.
No,
As
that
your
will
lordship
prejudice the litigants, not to you. We're here for litigants, you and us. All right. Eventually, it's for the litigants only, not your whims as a lawyer. Very difficult, sir. You appears to be a seasoned lawyer.
Yeah, I have.
With due respects, you appears to be a seasoned lawyer. We are here for litigants only.
Yeah, I pray to Lord, I let them to file affidavit. I shall reply.
What affidavit is required? You are not able to establish your case. You have been provided a 3 years time now. Back then, in 2022, you have not obtained any instruction from your client.
Problem is this.
It's a dereliction and the misconduct on your part as a lawyer. I'm sorry to I'm sorry to comment on this.
Sorry, ma'am. If anything wrong, then
This is something
apply.
it really the litigant is suffering. Your client is suffering. Heard Mr. Mr.
RM, sir.
R.M. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. By and Mr. Who else are there?
A. Bhattacharya for response number 3.
Learned counsel for the learned standing counsel. Who else are there? Then one serially,
Lordship,
chronologically.
I am for 2, 4, 5 and 6, 5, 2, 4 and 5, Lord.
Ah. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to pay the ex gratia grounds of rupees 5 lakhs in terms of the notification dated 15/11/2014. By which the quantum of relief in respect of persons killed / injured due to extremist violence / terrorist violence / acts of miscreants / communal violence, etc. have been revised. Has been revised, huh? List of. The petitioner claims that, no, the father of the petitioner, next para, huh? Let Santal Daimari, residents of village Bhagwan Tolak, POPSN, district Udalgari, BTC, oblique BTR, Assam, was killed by the miscreants on 08/03/1989. List of. And the body was thrown in the river Dansiri. List of. A case was registered as Udalgari Police Station case number 62 of 1989 under section 302/201/34 IPC. Read with section 3 within bracket 4 bracket close of TADA TADA within bracket P brackets close Act. List of. The petitioner, next para, being the son was paid ex gratia grant of rupees 1 lakh in terms of the Assam Public Services within bracket appointment of family members of persons killed by extremist public terrorist within bracket rules 1992, which was repealed subsequently. List of. It is the contention of the learned petitioner that the government of Assam in the Revenue and Disaster Management Department by notification dated 15/11/2014 has revised the quantum of relief of ex gratia grant payable to the next of kin of the persons who were killed oblique injured by the extremist oblique miscreants, oblique terrorists, up to rupees 5 lakhs. List of. Since the father of the petitioner was killed by unknown miscreants of the extremist, is entitled to receive an ex gratia, enhanced ex gratia grant of rupees 5 lakhs in terms of the notification dated 15/11/2014. Next para. The respondent authorities, by placing the instruction from the Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, what is it? Place the instruction. Yes, what you just read it. Next para. which reflects that as per record, Sri Nai Daimari, next of kin of late Santal Daimari, had already been benefited with the additional ex gratia grant for rupees 2 lakhs in the light of and as per the government office memorandum dated 29/07/2013. In addition to an earlier amount of rupees 1 lakh granted by the government sanction dated 23/07/1993. Mr. Next paragraph. In view of the above instruction, the learned counsel by the petitioner was granted 3 weeks' time to obtain instruction way back in 31/10/2022. Mr. How about today, Mr. R.M. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, has unable to place any instruction except to submit that the petitioner has only been paid 95,000 and not 1 lakh, and not even 1 lakh in terms of the earlier notification for payment of ex gratia grant. Christoph. Having considered that the petitioner, the learned counsel petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner has not been able to produce any instruction despite even after a lapse of nearly 3 years. And had not met any and has failed to show that the petitioner would be entitled to a payment of 5 lakhs ex gratia, enhanced ex gratia grant to the petitioner. This court would consider this court would consider and submit, consider and dispose of the present case, dispose of this writ petition. They consider and dispose of this writ petition on the materials available on record. List of next paragraph. Admittedly, the petitioners appears to have been granted a sum of rupees, an amount of rupees 1 lakh as ex gratia grant, which has been received in terms of the government OM number, OM dated 28/09/20. No, OM no. As per government sanction dated 23/07/1993. Mr. The petitioner appears to have been granted additional 2 lakhs, additional amount of rupees 2 lakhs, 2 lakh in as per the office memorandum dated 29/07/2013. which was invoked at the relevant point of time. Next paragraph. The state of Assam in the state of Assam by its notification dated 15/11/2014 has revised the quantum of ex gratia grant to 5 lakhs to the next of the kin of persons killed and whose killed and whose the person killed whose age is 18 years or above by extremist oblique terrorist oblique miscreants during communal oblique ethnic oblique group clashes and due to firing of security process this stuff. And to the next of the kin of person killed and whose age is below 18 years to rupees 3 lakhs. List of next paragraph. The above notification, perusal of the above notification clearly reflects that the revised rates revised rates shall be applicable in respect of the incidents which may occur in the state as on or after the date of the issue of the notification and the incidents prior to 15 November 2014 will be governed by the notifications relevant to that period. List of next paragraph. The incident in the present case occurred in the year 1989, which for which the office memorandum and the government memorandum no, occurred in 1989. List of the petitioner was paid 1 lakh in terms of the relevant notifications which were invoked at the relevant point of time. List of thereafter, the petitioner has been extended the benefit of additional ex gratia grant of rupees 2 lakh in terms of the office memorandum dated 29/07/2013. List of the notification issued by the state government enhancing and the revising the ex gratia payment, ex gratia compensation to 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs would only apply to the incident as on or after the 15/11/2014 and the incident prior to 15/11/2024 would be governed by the relevant notification which was in vogue. Mr. Thus, the petitioner would not be entitled to any entitled to enhance and entitled to the revised ex gratia grant of ₹5 lakhs in terms of the notification dated 15/11/2024 as the incident undisputedly occurred in the year 1989, which is much prior to the notification dated 15/11/2024. Next slide. In view of the above, the petitioner would not be entitled for any enhanced ex gratia grant in terms of notification dated 15/11/2024. As the said notification shall not apply, would not apply to the case of the petitioner. More so, the petitioner having been already paid the 1 lakh initially and then another additional 2 lakhs in terms of the relevant notification. In terms of the government policy of the scheme of the notification, which was invoked at the relevant point of time. Accordingly, I find no merit in this writ petition. No, please stop. I find no merit in writ petition. Accordingly, writ petition is then dismissed.
Obliged to.
Yes, madam. His ex gratia is page 22. The notification is page 22. Page 22, final form. Huh? Why misplacing all the file? Yes.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, as per last order, the demarcation was done on 15, but after that, Lordship, they have again raised some objection, Lordship. So matter may come after some time because another date has to be fixed.
Who has raised an objection?
The petitioner, Lordship.
Why are you making an objection all the time?
Not objective, both permitted to accommodate with the officers, demarcation, but as per information, officers went to demarcate, but without demarcating that.
No, Lordship, it was done, it was found earlier as was demarcated, it was found same. Then they raised an objection, so another date has to be fixed.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioners. Petitioners.
One petition.
Mr. S.S. Roy, learned state counsel, submits that although demarcation was conducted afresh, however, due to, not however. Although demarcation was conducted by the responding authorities, afresh, due to complaint, due to due to the complaint raised by the petitioner, the another date is fixed for
Not yet fixed, it will be fixed.
the
Because
another-
Lordship, it was,
the responding authorities are contemplating to contemplating to undertake a fresh verification again, a fresh verification, which should be done within the,
Lordship, after the vacations,
within
because we have to notice all the parties.
within 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Within 4 weeks. In view of, let this matter listed after 4 weeks.
Interim order passed and shall continue.
What interim order?
There is an interim not to disturb the position of the petitioner.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Item 16.
Anup. Phone to all of the phone size. 14, make it 14. Do you have any problem? You don't. You are also very sweet. Yes?
Item 16.
Full goal petition.
16?
I am appearing for the respondent 4 and 5, my lord. In this particular case, we filed a reply also. Today is, my lord, fixed for amendment that by the petitioner, my lord. Airtel
Amendment?
party to made a party, my lord, in
Huh?
this particular.
Perhaps that amended cost title is not parties to, is not filed. So there is an office note. 2511.
2511.
Amendment was allowed.
Yes, yes. Amendment is there.
None appears for the petitioner. On court. Office note dated 15/11/25 indicates that no amended writ petition has been filed by the land council for the petition. Mr.
Eight are filled, 4 and 5.
In favor of,
That's for-
I'm for respondent 3.
let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. In the meantime, petitioner may file the amended writ petition. Land council for the petition may file, amended cost that, amended writ petition, sorry.
I am in the receipt of the affidavit, madam. The additional affidavit from respondent number 4,
Yes.
3 and 4, madam.
Lordship, in this case, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent 3 and 4.
Yes.
And my learned friend also appearing for respondent 3 and 4.
So,
There
So
is
what
a-
has happened, your lordship, that there is a contesting claim between her client and my client, that we are actual respondent number 4 and 5. So we have brought everything on record by filing an additional affidavit, your lordship. And his case is different with petitioner's case. And that, your lordship, has not been tagged, your lordship. Today we have filed our affidavit additional.
no, wait, I don't understand. Can you explain?
Lordship,
What you're saying? Respond number 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
So you are also appearing on behalf of 3 and 4.
The 3 and 4, Lordship,
You?
we are holding that post.
That's what, you?
Yes, your lordship. Now, your lordship, there is a contesting claim for this. post
Okay, this
petition
is
claim.
Rashtra Bhasha
No, sir,
Prachar
not individual.
Samiti,
That's a sum.
Provincial Mantri.
Lord. There, her client says that they are holding and my client.
Who is representing?
My lord.
Who represent
I
this
am-
Mantri
I
and
am
this thing?
confused that Mr. Bhatta's client are the
Because-
legal respondents as of now. madam.
Because there is an excess I have stated in the,
No, you also could have.
I have
No,
submitted.
represented by whom?
Madam, I am an appointee.
No, forget about where on the respond 3 and 4.
Yes.
Rashtra Bhasha Prachar Samiti is represented by one Pradhan Mantri. Who is this? through its Pradhan.
Those are designations, Your Lordship.
Designations, my
They
lord.
are those are designations, Your Lordship.
Pradhan Mantri.
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
Then,
And my principles are the.
no, this Purvanchal Mantri is Rashtra Bhasha
It is
Prachar
office in
Cell.
the Jayanagar, Guwahati, Lordship.
That is the petitioner. Purvanchal Mantri is the petitioner.
No,
But
somebody-
your country is different,
see,
Lordship.
somebody has to represent this.
Lordship, Purvanchal myself is the Purvanchal Mantri, on behalf of Purvanchal Mantri and Pradhan Mantri, I am representing, Lordship.
You are Pradhan Mantri.
Pradhan Mantri
Which
as well as.
country? Which country?
That is, Lord, Rashtrabhasha Prachar Samiti Wardha. That is the trust under the Bombay Public
no,
Trust earlier.
You change it. How can there be a two Pradhan Mantri in a state, in a
Lordship,
country?
not Pradhan Mantri, one Pradhan, oh yes, Lordship, that is,
That's true, Your Lordship.
One is our own Prime Minister,
that is in,
Pradhan Mantri.
that is in
How
Hindi.
can you have a other Pradhan Mantri?
That is in Hindi, Lordship. Previously, that is as per.
Is it English or what?
English and Secretary,
Huh?
principals, that is Secretary General, Lordship, Pradhan Mantri. It is as per their constitution, that is what in 1950, prior to that, that is a trust under the Maharashtra Trust Act. And the Assam Rajya Rashtrabhasha Prachar Samiti is
No,
different.
this Samiti is represented by somebody, it must be by a person.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah, Pradhan Mantri or whatever, president may be one individual.
Lordship,
Mr. Bothago.
that should be looked into, Lordship. This is the nexus between the petitioner and
I
my
strongly
Well,
object. that,
Yes.
Your Lordship. What I pray, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I,
This is, madam, very strange.
very strange. Lordship.
Both the respondents are being represented by two councils
Yes, Lordship.
disputing, I mean,
Can my client will appear
you
before the
resolve it. We'll fix after.
It is not-
Application, Your
Lordship, because they have filed an
That is
affidavit
examined
in additional affidavit today. I will reply. Previously also, I have filed
So it's
additional
now
affidavit.
between you.
Lordship,
Otherwise, one and the same. But
no,
in
no.
fact, fighting.
They are not, they are not a legal body, Lordship. And as per Charity Commissioner's report, I will show that who is the actual authority. They have been removed by
You
the,
are respondent, how can you fight? You fight somewhere else.
no, why I will go, Lordship?
That's how you make it clear. Who is here? Who is
Because there is an
representing?
action.
Suppose Pradhan Mantri. Not naturally Mr. Modi, but the Pradhan Mantri of this. You make them a party.
After vacation.
How can we decide this, their dispute? Who represent what?
It is not at all
It's a
maintainable.
very strange.
Yes.
Madam, kindly think about it. I mean, Bothagar also.
It is not
Think
maintainable.
about it. No, we cannot decide your dispute.
Difficult.
Who is representing, who would be representing? You make it clear. Committee represented by so and so, by name.
No, how can Lordship?
You should-
Because they cannot do, because that is the illegal body. As per Charity Commissioner report, I will show Lordship who is holding the post.
Madam, it's very strange.
Yes,
to
Lordship, that is
decide
just
the-
strange.
We
That-
cannot decide the
Initially-
dispute between the, between the respondents. We'll have to decide between the dispute between the controversy between the petitioner and the respondents,
Yes,
not
sir.
within the respondents. Why should you take a trouble of taking all this, take a pain, which is very, very strange,
Strange.
never come across.
On 16th
And,
night,
and I would say it is the duty of the learned, seasoned lawyers to advise the client.
no,
not
my,
by-
my client will appear before this court.
No,
Honorable.
we're not interested. We're not interested. You make it clear, you make a party, you file an amended, district, or
I have already made parties, madam. This is as per
no,
my-
party by, represented by whom?
whom?
Represented by whom?
Okay, I'll do that.
No, Lordship,
This
because
committee has to be represented by somebody.
Lordship can,
My agreements are there, madam, already there, and now it is supported
You
by
made
the.
it.
no, Lordship, because I will show them. How can? Who
And
is?
Mr. B.D. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner.
কেনেকে পাৰিব?
It is strange to note that the
Comment কৰিলে আমাক
both the respondent number 3 and 4 are claimed to be represented by MS
MD.
M. Dev, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Borthakur on their separately. List of the respondent number 4. No, it appears that the respondent number 3 and 4, the submittee have not been shown through any representative.
I'll give
Which-
the name, man.
Huh?
I'll give the name.
Lordship, I cannot, because Lordship,
In my view, the should be represented by the concerned persons, as the secretary or president of the said committee, authority of the said committees. List of the, in view of the Mr. Goswami learned counsel for the petitioner to file appropriate application indicating clearly reflecting the persons who represent the respondent number 3 and 4. Not by the lawyer, not by the person.
Lordship,
Then it will be clear.
Lordship, because the body, that is the trust, is, I am holding my client have been holding that post.
Then
If
your
lordship
client will be.
If he is given the name, because he is interested to that person, because she is not entitled to get any relief from this court, because due to civil dispute, and it is a trust
See,
under the.
Madam, it's not
Yes,
your,
Lordship.
it's not your.
How Lordship can,
Madam, it's not your petition. It's a writ petition filed by the petitioner.
and Lordship also.
So we want a proper party, at least. A
Lordship,
proper
who is
party.
interested party.
If you are not there, you may file an application for impleadment. If they don't,
Already we have.
if you are,
discussed.
if you are not met,
Lordship,
if
it
you
is
are, no,
Some
if
type
you
of biasness is there.
if you are
Lordship. How
not,
can it?
if you are not a party,
Why not a
suppose in
party?
case, I don't know, we don't know.
No, because I have said,
How this court will better decide
no, how?
who represent what?
No, when I have entered appearance, Lordship is to see all
Your,
the records.
your name is there,
It is not the procedural.
your name is there, he is also there.
Yes, Lordship. That is why all the records should
That's
be.
the
packaged.
reason, madam, that's the
That is
reason
why,
I have
Lordship.
directed.
No, Lordship. It is not because both the we are appearing both the. Can you go through the records of the case without going to?
Are you appearing along with him
I am appearing myself for that.
separately?
Yes, Lordship.
Whom?
He also. That Pradhan Mantri of the Rashtrapati Prasad.
Who is that Pradhan Mantri?
One Chaturvedi, Lordship.
Then he'll make them party.
How I'll make?
No,
Because
not
his
you.
case,
He will make.
he will not make.
And
He is interested because he has served a copy to him personally.
Let the counsel for the
Yes.
petitioner file,
if
she has
Why not? Already I have, Lordship, already I have filed additional affidavit stating everything.
Yes,
That should be,
we'll consider.
that should be looked into.
We'll
Why
consider.
can you go again?
Miss
Then,
MDev Learned Council
It is not the
represent
procedure.
for the respondent number 3 and 4. And Mr. S. Borthakur, who also claims, also representing respondent number 4, have submitted that they have filed a respective affidavit to indicate that who represent actually the respondent number 3 and 4,
Yes, Lord.
which shall be considered on the next date. All right.
Now it's Lordship.
See, madam, if in case if you accept that your submission, that if he doesn't make you,
I'll show.
if just wait,
Yes, Lordship.
you may file an kind of the impleadment or interment or something like that.
I cannot, because by name he has made party Pradhan Mantri and like that.
Ah.
Now Lordship is diverting the everything.
Then
They-
Borthakur, You are not representing Pradhan Mantri. Pradhan Mantri.
Both the. He is no, only for, he has filed affidavit.
Why don't you join together? Have a truce.
I will show that,
Have a truce between you.
Lordship, I will show the order of charity commissioner. Without going to that, cannot ascertain who is the main party.
That I have already annexed. to.
Yes, we'll see.
Obliged, Lordship.
After
This,
4 weeks, sometimes.
4 weeks.
they say,
Yeah.
Obliged.
Very interesting, but
Interesting,
but the edits of them very strange,
That also.
very strange and funny.
That also inform, prior to that, Lordship, on 16
Madam.
and 24,
Madam,
Lordship.
very interesting, not only very interesting, very strange and funny too.
Yes, Lordship, I will show that.
Yes.
Your Lordship, for respondent number 17 to 22.
Yes.
Your Lordship, some reasonable time may be allowed to file affidavit in opposition.
So far, we have been given unreasonable time or what?
No, Your Lordship, actually, we have received.
And I'm on a lighter note. So far, we have been granting you an unreasonable time. So today you are seeking reasonable time.
No, my apology, Lordship.
Third,
but-
Mr.
H. Bora.
Lordship,
Your name, please.
Pickle.
You have no objection. He wants reasonable time.
Yes. Okay. Because
Ah.
I need that copy only.
To file affidavit.
Yes. Affidavit
Heard
in opposition.
Mr. B. Kalita, B.
Pickle.
B. Kalita, learned counsel for the petitioners. Next player, Mr.
H. Bora.
H.
appear
for learned counsel for respondent number
17 to 22.
17 to 22 submits that he may be granted reasonable time to file affidavit in opposition. Please, is spread for a very reasonable time is granted to Mr. Bora of 3 weeks
Your Lordship,
to file affidavit in opposition.
Your Lordship,
Don't write, very-
senior Mr. Ekedas
Don't-
name
don't
was
write.
not mentioned.
All right. Very reasonable. Just granted 3 weeks time.
Respond 12:30.
You record there. J dash 4, respond number, and
5 to 11. Lordship.
5 to 11, and 1. Why one should be last? One should be always first. Chronology will right. Madam, 1, 2, SS row 2, then 5, then 7, 2, and all those. Three of the. This will remain. His prayer will remain. Hereafter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, accordingly, chronologically, right?
Your Lordship, my senior name, Mr. Ekedas and MJ Gogoi name was not listed on the cause list.
A registry to reflect the name of
My senior, Mr. Ekedas and MJ Gogoi,
an NJ Gogoi for respondent number
17 to 22.
22. So basically you are a proxy
Yes, Lordship.
or a junior.
Yes, I am junior.
Junior. Then you're right. It's okay. Okay, your name is also there.
Yes, my name is Lord.
Yeah. Yes.
Matter regarding non-payment of running bill and for extension of time for completion of the work, my lord.
Yes.
We filed our affidavit in opposition, my lord.
Okay. None appears for the petition on board. List after. Miss
A. Bora
Ebora
for
State
standing council NHM.
London Standing Council NHM is present. And no, London has submitted that is present and submits that she has already filed the affidavit of opposition on behalf of respondent number
Respondent number 4, right?
4, huh? List after 4 weeks. Yes.
The mental health is
Hmm.
suffering a lot,
Yes.
they're underprivileged and not in getting the treatment or the means to treat my son actually. He's suffering from paranoid schizophrenia. We have filed a number of additional affidavits also with the various developments. So notification from the central government was the thing we were awaiting since the last order. We were informed that certain developments have happened and they were meant to this sort about 1 or 2 months' time. But they've got more time now. I wonder if it's been.
Yes. What?
The rules are under process, Lordship.
Have you filed the affidavit?
No, Lordship, actually, I am not a formal party, Lordship.
Who has to file who is the main party? Who has to respond?
Health Department, Lordship.
Where is health department?
This is my instruction. Court has asked to obtain the instruction. I have obtained this instruction. It is under process.
Instruction have been received by him. Let this matter in 3rd week of May. Yes. So, madam, the rules are presently under process for approval.
Since August, and actually since last year, we filed our petition last year, 2024. They have to expedite. There are so many schemes in National Health Mission also. But
So unless rules are in place, no relief can be granted to you.
they have to expedite with the rules. It's not just us.
This is in communication of August.
Yes.
Up to that, we'll expect that this is this under process for approval.
Yes.
Her MS will take after
The health person has
4 weeks.
Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, as the Lordship has rightfully pointed out, it is still under process. So I think
No,
is
it
best.
cannot be. Cannot be keep on.
Yes, Lordship.
It's been August, September, October,
4 months.
4 months.
Yes.
Should be.
Then end of.
I think
the
we're
end of the
expecting
year.
it might have approved already. Then you have to publish, you'll have to publish in the official gazette and all that thing. So by this time it should be.
Lordship.
All right. Next date you place the latest instruction.
Lordship.
If possible.
Heard
that-
MS Saikia? Huh?
Yes.
A Saikia, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, as in terms of the in deference to the order of this court, Mr. S.S. Roy, learned district council, has produced the copy of the communication dated 25/08/2025 by the Undersecretary to the Government of India, whereby it is indicated that the Assam State Mental Health Rules are in the process of approval by the ministry. Mr. Considering above, comma, learned counsel for the learned counsel, Mr.
M. Huya, Lordship,
M. Boya,
appearing for the Health Department, Lordship.
Health Department. Learned standing counsel,
No, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, who is the
Big
standing counsel.
learned standing counsel, so and so, Health Department and Mr. S.S. Roy to list the status of the status, up to date status with regard to the process, with regard to the Assam State Mental Health rules, which is indicated to be under process for approval.
I'm making from.
List after
question
4
number
weeks.
5, mine.
Ah, record his name. B. Basia. G. Basia. Land correspond number 5.
5.
Ah.
Okay.
4 weeks. 4 weeks will do. It's been 4 months. 4 weeks.
Item 20.
A
That's
date
all right.
may be given,
If the
where for a date.
Yes, Lordship.
20.
Item 20.
20,
Huh?
for item 20 also very.
Same.
No,
It will require some time, Lordship, the process is underway, Lordship.
Huh?
I have just now instructed that the process is underway, Lordship.
Ah. What is the matter?
The allotment.
this, we have filed, an additional affidavit to show that the measurement of the mandal was wrong. So we got it surveyed by the surveyor, the formal
What do you
surveyor.
want?
But you request some call, Lordship.
For what?
For, we have allotted him 8.8 hour, they are
8.8 hour.
8 hour, but
To-
they are
to-
claiming some more.
To instruction.
Yes,
For instruction.
Lordship.
You want to give more to her?
They are claiming and we are,
Heard
Already-
MSS,
They-
learned counsel for the
already
petitioner.
BBC has also written, it's the survey.
Petitioners on the prayer of Mr. S.S. Roy, learned counsel, state counsel for respondents to they will list this matter after 4 weeks to obtain instruction.
After vacation. Lordship.
Lordship,
Bit-
after view vacation.
Not possible. 4 weeks
Lordship,
after
A
being
date-
vacation.
a date may be also given in this matter.
It's okay. Then in that case, give after 5 weeks, because it's not possible. After 4 weeks, fixed date cannot be given.
After 2
There's so many matters fixed already.
28 January, 28 January.
28, Lordship.
Item 21.
Much obliged.
Pending for the pending.
Hmm.
Is a couple, like,
Any affidavit has been filed?
My lord, I am for the private respondent and
Ah.
I am the owner, actually matter relating to auction sale. So in this matter, actually directly I don't have anything to say because this is the matter between the auction purchaser and the bank. The bank has been delaying the matter over and over. And district administration, the main.
Have you
grievance of the-
filed the affidavit?
No, no, I'm appearing.
You filed, or Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner? We'll grant them some time to file affidavit, huh? On the prayer of Mr.
DK Nath
No,
Ye Kashyap,
huh?
Ye Kashyap,
is the bank, man.
bank,
K. Kashyap, learned standing counsel for respondent bank, and Mr.
DK Nath,
D.K. Nath,
Yeah.
learned counsel for the respondent number?
private respondent matter. Respondent
Private
number 4. 4.
On the prayer, huh? Okay, so-and-so. For the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. After 3 weeks.
Item 22.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the matter pertains to Lordship appointment of limited guardian to the brother of the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, this case may be disposed of, Lordship, in terms of a similar order passed by this court, Lordship, where the honorable court was restrained to exercise, Lordship, extraordinary jurisdiction, Lordship. However, the case was disposed of, Lordship, with some observations, Lordship. Lordship, the fact is that pursuant to the court's order, Lordship, pension has been sanctioned to my brother, Lordship, and some salary also, Lordship. But for drawing that, Lordship, guardianship is required, Lordship. My brother is suffering from schizophrenia, Lordship. Initially, Lordship, I applied for guardianship before the Honorable District Judge, Lordship, which was dismissed, Lordship. And Lordship, but Lordship, the dishonorable court, Lordship, declared the said judgment as nullity, Lordship, and liberty has been granted to me, Lordship, to the honorable court, dishonorable court, Lordship, declared the judgment passed by the Honorable District Judge, Lordship, as nullity, Lordship, and liberty have been granted to me to approve, to Lordship, to approach before the appropriate forum, Lordship. Appropriate forum, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, I submitted an application, Lordship, that has been, Lordship, denied, Lordship. Lordship, there are some procedure and in terms of that, Lordship, rule has been framed by the state, Lordship, in the year 2019, Lordship. As per that rule, Lordship, limited guardianship can be, Lordship, granted. Lordship, this case order may kindly be perished, Lordship. It is a similar order, Lordship, as in one case, Lordship. No direction, Lordship, but dispose of with observation.
You have already filed a writ petition.
Yes.
Then?
Pension has been sanctioned, Lordship, to my brother, Lordship, but that could not be done, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly come to the page number 25. Page 25.
And I'm not getting any head and tail. Please, just wait. Why you are relying this?
That's it.
Yes.
For drawing pension, Lordship, guardianship is required, Lordship. My brother is suffering from schizophrenia. He was a teacher, Lordship. Pension has been sanctioned, but that could not be done, Lordship, due to his mental illness, Lordship. And now, Lordship, may kindly come to the page number 25, Annexure G. As per that, Lordship, for drawing the pension and the arrear salary, Lordship, guardianship is required, Lordship. Accordingly, Lordship, I filed on guardianship case before the Honorable District Judge, Lordship, which has been dismissed. Page 26, Annexure H. Challenging that order, Lordship, I filed on CRP, Lordship, before this Honorable Court. And the Honorable Court was pleased to declare it nullity, Lordship, and liberty have been granted. Annexure J is the disability certificate of my brother. My brother is unmarried, Lordship. He has lost his parent, Lordship. Being his younger brother, Lordship, I applied for guardianship, Lordship. Lordship, I am applying in the wrong forum, Lordship. So far this judgment is concerned, Lordship, I am to apply as per procedure, Lordship.
Then
Lordship, on that line, Lordship, case may be disposed of, Lordship. I will apply.
you go and apply, who is stopping you?
No, Lordship.
When you know the law that you
Since the case is pending,
ah,
Lordship,
which case?
this case, Lordship.
We'll close it.
Lordship,
We'll give you a liberty to approach.
Lordship, on the same line, Lordship.
What same line? No, no, no.
Paragraph 14 of the order.
If you know that you are approaching wrongly,
No, Lordship, actually,
wrong forum,
Lordship,
we'll close it.
this is
We'll give you a liberty in terms of the act and rules to approach the appropriate forum. That's
Lordship,
all.
Lordship, NXR K page 31. In fact,
Ah.
Lordship, I applied
Hmm.
and that has been denied, Lordship. That has been denied. I applied as per guidelines of National Trust Act, Lordship, 1999. But I am to apply, Lordship, as per disability rules, Assam rules 2019, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, he has to apply, my lord, my instruction is to the National Trust Portal.
Hmm.
That he has not done.
Hmm.
And the judgment which he has placed before your lordship relates to a case of possibly cerebral palsy. That he cannot be moved from there. So the court directed the committee to visit his house.
Hmm.
This is not the case. He is
See,
So-
page 29, you have been given a liberty as per the Mental Health Act 2017. Which is the forum here under this act? Huh.
Lordship.
Have you applied?
I applied, Lordship.
What is the forum? Under this mental health,
NXR K, Lordship, page 31.
ah,
Page 31, Lordship.
ah,
Proposal was placed, Lordship,
hmm,
before the committee, Lordship,
ah,
the minutes, Lordship.
ah.
And Lordship, page
What
30,
is your name?
page 32, Munindranath Sharma, Lordship.
District Barpita under the chairmanship of Sri Muchumi Chetia. I think this edition will.
It is not disposed of, Lordship. There is wrong observation also, Lordship, in the minutes, Lordship. In my disability certificate, it is clearly stated that mental illness, which is 60%, Lordship. And the committee has categorized it mental illness, Lordship, and mentally retired, Lordship. What are same, Lordship?
You have been asked to do some certain these things. Then you have not done it, you are coming here. Shri Munindra Narsingh to be reassess the case with the medical board. Huh? And submit the certificate.
Certificate has already been issued, which is at page 30, Lordship.
You reassessed. What's there?
So, Lordship,
You have not done your part and you are saying you are coming directly to this court. You do all this thing. They have considered and they want that this should be reassessed. Right? And then to upload the application in the National Trust portal. These are the procedure. Just because you have just filed an a certificate, how they'll consider it? What's the problem in reassessing?
no problem, Lordship.
Then if it is rejected, then you may come. We'll say it's under process. They have considered your case, certain issues to reassess the disability of your brother and to file the application in the National Trust portal. That you have not done. Yes, we dismiss or withdraw it.
Liberty,
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that he may be allowed to withdraw his writ petition with the liberty to submit the required documents and to file the appropriate application in the National Trust portal as directed by the local level committee for issuance of legal guardianship certificate under the National Trust Act 1999 of in respect of Barpeta district, Barpeta district, by its order dated, by its minutes dated 8/11/2024. What is it? Who delivered so-and-so, huh? Prayer for withdrawal is accepted with the liberty as prayed for. Huh? Mr. B.J. Talukdar, Learned State Council, and Mr. M.S. R.S. Chaudhary, Learned. You are for?
I'm for spot number 9, Lordships.
Standing Council.
Yes, you are.
Standing Council.
Services. State Legal Service. Authority.
State Legal Service Authority and then you write one by one, chronologically, are present. Huh? वो बोला है क्या? वो prayer का बाद ना, look prayer का बाद are present, then prayer for so of the learned council conference is accepted. Accordingly, it produced 10 as withdrawn. On withdrawal, with a liberty as well. Yes.
54 to 20. 54 to 26.
No one appears to the petitioner on call. Petitioners on call. Office note that 6/12/2020 indicates that the no counter affidavit has been filed. It's enviable. No, not enviable. Next, list after 4 weeks. List the matter after 4 weeks.
27.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'll take fresh step upon response number 5, Your Lordship.
Huh?
I'll take fresh step upon response number 5, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of so-and-so, learn counsel for the petitioner, but that I will. No, learn counsel for the petitioner. A week's time is granted to take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number.
Response number 5, Your Lordship.
Why? Huh? Just after 4 weeks.
28.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship. My lord, some of my lands were acquired by the authority. That Lordship may kindly see page 14.
Yes, what is to be done today?
That
We have filed our affidavit. We have filed our affidavit, Lordship. But
You have filed?
copies have. Yes, without serving copy, how affidavit will file? In 16/5, we have filed.
In a short date may be fixed, my lord. Let me go through the affidavit.
Service of. Yes, we have filed.
Office note. That is 01/12/25 indicates that, reflects that the service of notice upon respondent member has been duly served. Following the service in respect of a notice, the service in respect is complete, huh? Mr. So-and-so, land counsel. As a land state council submits that he has filed the affidavit.
Yes,
You have
filed.
received.
Received,
Yes, I
Lordship.
have. But I could not go through this, so some short time will kindly.
Which has been duly received by, which has been duly furnished to the land council, Mr. M.U. Mohammed, land council for the M.U. Mohammed,
My junior.
who phrased that the term will be listed after 4 weeks. List after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Wait. Service upon the private respondents are awaited.
And we heard Mr. B. Kaushik, land council, our service report, list after 4 weeks. Mr. So-and-so
Correspondent 1 and 2.
is present.
Team order may be continued.
Interim order pass unless continue.
Grateful.
34.
My lord, in this case, I have got my wakalat number today morning for respondent number 6, 13, 14 and 16.
You want some time?
Yes, my lord, I have to reply to the petition.
My lord, only thing is, the main important thing is the state government's registrar's affidavit.
Ah.
Response number 2.
Heard, Mr.
P.K. Bhattacharya,
Land council for the petitioner, petitioners,
petitioners, ma'am.
and
I am appearing in IS opinion on.
for petitioner, Mr.
I am A Biswas.
A. Biswas for
I am
No, you are for what? In writ petition, you are what? Respondent number? In IA 3441. 3188 for applicant and who else? Who else? Nobody.
Lordship, I am filing Wakalatam on behalf of
Please stop. Ah,
A. Kakoti.
next para. Mr. A. Chemwa, Land Council, and Mr.
A. Kakoti.
A. Kakoti. No, A. Chemwa and Mr. A. Kakoti, Land Councils have submitted that they would be filing their respective power.
I have filed my power.
Huh?
I have filed my power today morning.
Oh, no, in that case, we'll say, no, Learned Council have entered appearance on behalf of respondent number
I am for respondent 6, 13, 14 and 16.
6, 13, 14, and 16. And
I am for Lordship 8, 9, 10,
8, 9, 10,
11,
11,
17, 18, 19, 20.
17, 18, 19, 20. Who submits that? And submits that they may be granted some time to
Lordship,
file
I am
their
filing the affidavit in opposition.
respective affidavits.
During the course of the day, I am filing.
Prayer is allowed, list after 4 weeks.
Interim orders to continue.
Interim order parcel, let's continue.
One more section, my lord. The main affidavit which is required for the matter is respondent number 2.
Who?
Because register of
Who is appearing?
SK Talukdar, Standing Council Cooperative Society.
Although Mr. S.K. Talukdar
Corporation Department.
Corporation Department,
is
sorry.
not, Learned Standing is not present today. However, on the assurance of the Learned Council for the petitioner that he will inform the Learned Council, Mr. Talukdar to file the affidavit on or before the next
Interim orders to continue.
next date of listing. Huh? Yes, interim orders. Yes. So they are there.
I will file the reply to the IA during the
Yes,
course of the day.
okay, we'll say that.
Interim orders to continue.
Obliged.
Obliged.
I have to simply pray your,
Yes.
your lordship at to your lordship.
Huh?
At to your lordship. At 2. Will not take
No, my
much
lord,
time.
I have another matter fiction, code number 1.
Hmm.
That too.
After some time. After to hold it. After hold it.
Hold up tomorrow. कितना बजे जो होगा?
कितना बजे जो?
Don't think that.
No, 10 minute.
Your time labor. Or I may plus my
Yes, sir.
decisions. Let them come up with.
Yes, yes. At 2 year also. We just furnish our decisions.
Huh?
What you wanted the other day on the point whether writ petition includes, writ petition can be equally treated as a suit. Suit includes writ petition. That's the simple point what you wanted to, if there is any supporting decision on this point, because it was their contention that the suit, as it says in the Society Registration Act, it can be, that means it includes writ petition also. That was the point which was objected to by me, and lordship wanted that if there is anything of that sort.
We'll place your lordship at 2.
Why 2?
Because senior council is on some other court. It's in lakes. Or
It's okay, yeah, in that case, sir, you give the thing.
Well,
The case
Otherwise,
law,
sir,
you are placing some case laws.
yes,
You just give the thing.
yes.
otherwise your lordship may be allowed to call that now, maybe allowed to,
Huh?
maybe allowed to call them now, if time permits.
This is, my lord, reported in 1996.
Just wait.
No, sorry, no.
Yes.
Bron Singh and others versus State of Punjab and others
Hmm.
reported in 1996
Yes.
to SCC
Yes.
205.
205. Para?
Para,
Para 7.
yes. He has taken into consideration so many things, but in para 7,
Okay, then.
another 1974 to SCC 706.
706.
Yes.
Para?
Babulal, para 10.
Babulal.
Babulal Ulji Bhai Patel versus Nandalal Kodidas Parrot.
Okay, then.
2009 8 FCC. It's no, no, this is not industrial field. No,
2008 SCC.
no, 2009 8 is not required. I'm also placing one vision of the Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh. That review petition number 77 of 2023. Decided on 31st of January 2023. Raj Kumar Pateria.
Rajkumar.
Yes, Raj Kumar.
Rajkumar?
Pateria.
Bateria.
Pateria. According to all these decisions, I have already placed Supreme Court decision.
This is Madhya Pradesh.
This is Madhya Pradesh. Para 15 Lordship may note down.
Yes, that's all.
Yes.
Okay.
Referring to section 141 CPC also, court says that this cannot be. So, truth is different, it is different. Special remedy should, is not the special remedy. Only 226 is special remedy, extraordinary.
That too.
At 2, your lords.
So, to my lord, I will be there.
You have nothing more to submit?
No. Object to what they say ultimately, but then they will have to place decision.
Yes, sir. How many judgment? Why 6? Huh? Why total 6? Latest one, you give the latest one. Similar points. In the latest, I suppose in the latest, all other earlier judgment might have been referred. Latest than the most relevant. Itugi. Huh? Petitioner. He is also petitioner. Petitioner in W173. What is this? This is High Court of Rajasthan. Hmm? Just wait. Hmm. Then? Huh? Yes. There was no resolution. Hmm? This is Allahabad High Court. Yes. We have given 6 numbers again indirectly. What does it mean? Yes, Pera? What is the case which shows that the writ petition suits includes the writ petition? That is the issue we would like you to address. Hmm? These are all not connected. Give the list of books, this. That's all. You have no, otherwise suits doesn't, necessarily includes the writ petition. But can it be considered as the civil proceedings? Can be. Is the nature of the claim raised. It can be treated as the civil proceedings, depend on the nature of the claim. But according to you, suit doesn't include writ petition. And in that case, it contradicts your submissions. It negates your submission. You are relying on the section 6 of the Registration Act. It talks about the suit. See, if the writ petition doesn't, if the suit doesn't include the writ petition, why you are taking the help of the section 6? You are abandoning it now. You are not pressing it. You are not pressing the section 6. No, sir, I am not on that. That is your final submission. What we are on is that whether the suit includes the writ petition. You are foregoing. So you are not relying on this. You are not press into service of section 6 of the Registration Act. You are only saying that since the petition has been filed by the association, whether there being any resolution and the authorization, writ petition is not maintainable. That otherwise could not have kept the matter today unnecessary. we are on that you are try to put into service, press this thing, Section 6 of Societies Registration Act. That's why we fixed the matter today. You are not pressing it. You are not pressing into service of Section 6 now. Because suit doesn't include, not necessarily include writ petition. Huh? Why? Are you pressing the Section 6 into service? Then show us that the suits includes the writ petition. Hmm? That is one part. I'm asking is when you say that you are, if you press into service of Section 6, it talks about the suit. If the suit doesn't include the writ petition, how the Section the 6 will apply? That is one aspect. In the absence of resolution or authorization of whether the association can expose the cause of the members of whether there being an association, whether it's maintainable. That is one aspect. Where on Section 6, since you have pressed into service, the other day Section 6 of Societies Registration Act. So I said it's about the suit only. And if the suit doesn't include, why the question of Section 6? You are not pressing it. You are not pressing it. Yes. Section 6 is over. Now what they are pressing, I mean, what they are submitting is that in view of the absence of the resolution and the authorization by the members of the association, no writ petition is maintainable. Right. Relying on the High Court and Supreme Court judgments. Now they are not pressing it. They are purely on maintainability. No, that is why he has placed that it can be raised at any time. But admittedly, you don't have the no resolution, no authorization. We'll take it up New Year for reply. Note it down. It's not pressing Section 6 now. Right? They are purely maintainability. Have you noted down all this judgment? You share the judgment, copy of judgment to them. Right? Heard Mr. Amjad Ahmed, learned senior counsel. for WPC 2408 of 2016. And respondent in WPC 7173 of 2015. Mr. On the prayer of learned counsel so and so. S. Gautam. Huh? S. Gautam. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. K.K. Manta, senior advocate for learned counsel, learned counsel for WPC 713 of 2015, and respondent in WPC 2408 2016. Let this matter be listed for listed after 3 weeks for rejoinder. For rejoinder for reply argument by Mr. K.K. Monta, senior counsel. You just said Amjad Ahmed, senior counsel, na? Assisted by so and so. Huh? List after 3 weeks as part hard. We'll keep it, keep it part hard again. Give after 20. Or should we keep it, reserve the judgment or dispose of? Today they are not pressing it. How can you do? You are also appearing. Vijay